Hello and welcome to my daily routine for survey sites to pay part 7. Okay, so we're almost done with the series, you guys. One more video after this and we're done. But this is part 7 because I love this site. It's called Branded Surveys. You guys know that this is a site that I've been working on for a while. And I've gotten paid on here a total number of, going to be my 4th cash out when I cash out again. But let's get into the site. Also, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified for future videos I upload. And if you like what I'm doing with this series, put a comment down below letting me know what else you want me to talk about. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so right here we have approved points and we have until payout. Basically, approved points are what I've done so far, what I've gotten approved for. And right now I've gotten approved for 439 points, which is equivalent to $4.39. Until payout basically means how much I have left until I can earn my payout, which is 561 points. Okay, and right here in the middle, there used to be a word saying pending. Pending status basically means whenever you do a survey, they have to verify that you qualified for it, that you completed it. Once it's verified that you completed it, it goes into your approved status. So it takes up to 2 weeks before your points get approved. That's the way it works. But I wouldn't let that stop you from coming on here and making more money. You know, doing more surveys and qualifying for more points. Okay, so these are my current points right here. This is what I've made so far. Look at all this. I have more disqualification points on here than anything. Okay, so partner surveys is something I want to talk to you guys about. If you're going to do anything on here, choose Offer Toro, only because it's easier, you guys, I'm going to make a video showing you guys how to do the coupons. If you want, you could just watch me do it on Prize Rebel because it's the same exact thing. And you have to enter your phone number to verify everything. So you have to have, it's going to show up on your phone. They're going to send the code to your phone, so make sure you enter your correct phone number. Okay, so, yeah. You click on it, you do 25 coupon, you save it as a PDF, you print it, and then you wait 25 minutes or however many minutes, and it gets credited to you. This is 15 points a day. Okay, payment options. Payment options are PayPal, Bank, Branded Pay, sorry. Red donation, you can make a donation. You can transfer money, you can send money to PayPal or bank. PayPal does not charge a fee. You get all your money, you get your whole $10. On this site, you will get $10. It's like if you had $10.18, you would cash out $10.18 would stay in your balance. Okay, so just throwing that out there. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm just happy to help you guys make money. I'm happy that I'm able to be a part of that. Because for a long time I wondered if my videos were any good. I wondered if helping you guys, if it was really helping you. And I know that now because a lot of you keep commenting. A lot of you are subscribed to my channel. And it's really helpful. So I want to say thank you. Take the time out right now to say thank you for, all the support, all the love. And I'm happy to hear that you guys have been making money online with my method and my daily routine. So yeah, I wanted to say thank you. It's not easy. But word of advice, when you guys take the surveys, don't skip any of the surveys. None of them. Just do them all. Because you'll get recognized for that and you'll get more points. You'll start getting better surveys. And the daily poll, you earn 5 points per day for this. 5 points a day. And then when you do the surveys, you get random points. There's no guarantee you're going to get your points. You just get random points. Okay? So I could take this 120 point survey for 15 minutes and not get anything. Just get 1 point back. Okay? I don't expect, truthfully, 150 points just by answering one question. So I just wanted to come out here and make that video for you guys. But yeah, check out these survey sites, you guys. I'm telling you, these survey sites can help you guys make some money. Because on branded surveys alone, I've already cashed out $4. I mean, $40 altogether. I've cashed out 4 times, which is equivalent to 4,000 points, which is equivalent to $40. Okay, so I've cashed out bank. If I would have saved up that money, it would have been $40. But as you know, we all have bills to pay. We all have things we got to take care of and do. So fortunately, I had to, take care of some things. But, it's no big deal. I have other ways I'm making money. I'm going to be announcing that, too. The other ways I'm making money to see if you guys are interested. And you'll have to just wait and find out what I'm talking about when I get ready to make the video. Okay? So I don't want to make this video too long, but I covered, the approved points. I covered the pending points. I covered the until payout points. I've covered the gold member status. I've covered my dashboard, my points, my partner surveys, and your phone number, I believe. Okay, so that's basically it. And I would like now to get into my routine, my daily routine for survey sites to pay part 8. I will see you guys in that video.